Entering Canada with a felony conviction. It can be difficult to enter Canada with a criminal record, but there are some options to become admissible. Anyone trying to enter Canada with a felony conviction on their criminal record may be surprised to learn that they might be considered inadmissible. This can be true for residents of any country who would like to immigrate to Canada or even just visit several years post-conviction. What makes a person inadmissible to Canada? There is a long list of felony convictions that can make a person inadmissible to Canada. The most common offenses are reckless driving, driving while under the influence of drugs or alcohol, fraud, assault, and drug offenses. Any one of these can be enough to prevent you from being admitted to Canada, even if they are considered minor and happened a long time ago. It is also worth noting that those who are currently serving a sentence or have completed one very recently, are less likely to be granted admission into Canada. Temporary Resident Permit. A temporary resident permit, TRP, gives you legal entry to Canada for a specific period of time if you can provide a valid reason for your visit. TRPs can be applied for at any point, regardless of how long ago you completed your sentence or even if you are still serving part of your sentence. However, the likelihood of getting a TRP decreases with the severity of the offense committed and how recently your sentence was completed, or if it is still in progress. Apply through a consulate. If you have time to plan your trip well in advance, U.S. citizens can submit their TRP application to a Canadian consulate. The processing time can vary, but if you are approved, you are guaranteed entry into Canada. Applying at a port of entry. It is possible to obtain a TRP upon arrival at point of entry into Canada, such as an airport or land border, but there is no guarantee that the Canadian immigration officer will allow you to enter the country. The final decision rests with the official, and they must weigh if your trip is justified against the health and security of Canadians. Criminal rehabilitation. Another path to becoming admissible is through criminal rehabilitation. If you have been unable to enter Canada in the past and more than 5 years have passed since the end of your sentence, you might be eligible to apply. An individual is deemed rehabilitated if they can prove they have been living a stable lifestyle, at least 5 years have elapsed since the end of their sentence, and they are unlikely to be involved in further criminal activity. The type of conviction makes a difference. The biggest consideration in deciding if an individual is rehabilitated is establishing what would have happened if he had committed same offense within Canada. IRCC distinguishes between convictions that result in a sentence of less than 10 years under Canada's Canadian Criminal Code and convictions that result in convictions of more than 10 years. Anything over 10 years is considered serious criminality and can have a negative impact on your chances of being deemed rehabilitated. Thanks for watching. Hope the information given in this video is helpful, shared with your family and friends. Also, do comment your queries, feedback and suggestions. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more videos.